Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Guns Locked. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we're going to be looking at Lil Pump's dreadlocks again. So I want to be looking at his dreads if he didn't do anything different, but I was on Instagram and I seen on the homepage that his hair is switched up, and he was like with his niece or something like that, and like not sure the whole situation on that, but it looks like he switched some things up. So we're just going to take a quick look at this video, and then we're going to jump into some photos and kind of look where he was and then where he is now.
What does Boom do? What? What do I do?
So as you guys noticed in the video, you can tell that his hair is purple and bleached, and his hair is super bleached. It's not as yellow as it used to look. It's starting to look more white. I'm not sure if he's going for a platinum look, but I feel like he's getting there. I've actually done multiple videos on Lil Pump, and you guys see the hair texture that he has and the styles he does with his hair, but this is definitely switched up. Not only did he dye his hair purple and bleach out the roots, he now has like some of them shorter than others, and like they're just all different lengths, and it's really weird, really different. Now, I wouldn't say weird, but it's abnormal. Not everyone does that. There was someone else who did it. If you guys do know, comment down below who has different lengths of dreadlocks besides Lil Pump. I know someone's done it before, just slipped my mind at the moment, but this is a style that someone has done before. This is definitely an interesting style for sure. But all of you guys have seen the color progression of his dreadlocks. He started out with just dark brown hair, which is his natural hair color, and then he moved on to the blonde, which was like a more bronzy blonde, and the reason you get that is because you're not actually toning it, which makes it lighter and not as bronze. And then after that, he put the pink dye into his hair, and that was what he was famous for, is like the pink and blonde. And then he went to red and green, which was the colors of Gucci, and then he went back to pink and blonde, and then now he has moved on to a blonde and purple. And I know Wiz Khalifa has had his hair purple before. I know Lil Uzi Vert has had his hair purple before. I think Ayo Bowles from Ayo and Teo has had his hair purple before. There's a lot of people who have had their hair purple before, but it is different seeing Lil Pump have his hair like this. If you thought it was interesting that Lil Pump dyed his hair this color, like the video and comment down who you guys want to see next. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.